Depp Heard was unquestionably one of the most media-mediated court cases in recent years, ending in the Hollywood star's victory after 6 weeks of hearings and accusing one another of defamation. Amber Heard, Johnny Depp's ex, took a lot of risks for her Yorkshire Terriers. Why and what the Australian prosecutor decided. Amber Heard's problems with Depp and Amber Heard are related to her dogs. According to Australian media sources, local prosecutors have abandoned a potential criminal prosecution against Amber Heard after she was charged with lying to the court about the arrival of her Yorkshire Terriers in Australia. The puppies, whose names are Pistol and Boo, belonged to the actress and Johnny Depp 8 years ago. Heard flew the pups to Australia to meet Depp, who was filming Pirates of the Caribbean at the time. A biosafety monitoring organization in Australia, the Department of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Forestry, had looked into the actress's alleged lying related to knowledge of Australian regulations forbidding her from bringing canines into the country. An ex-employee of the actress claims that Heard compelled one of her staff members to accept responsibility for breaking the law. The most serious charges, which could result in a 10-year prison term if proven, were dropped by the prosecution. In contrast, the charge of falsifying documents, which could have resulted in a maximum sentence of 1 year in jail and a fine of over $10,000, was reduced to a 1-month good behavior bond and a fine of $1,000 for an offense committed in Australia the following month. Following her divorce from Johnny Depp in 2017, Heard acquired Pistol and Boo, but even in this situation, it wasn't just the actress who had a terrible time. The small creatures in tow also experienced problems. When the couple lived in Australia with their 2 dogs in 2015, the law mandated that they return the canines to the United States within a 50-hour window, or face the possibility of having them put down. Pistol and Boo had a terrible time. Poor things.